and then just slide up. Yeah, this one is sticky. The reason we're swapping this one, you proceed to confirm, and here you have like a digital keyboard where you can basically test every single key and make sure they are all. Hi everyone, today we are working on a keyboard replacement on a T480s. Mostly the process to swap the keyboard on T480s is mostly the same of T490. So let's go to it. This one is easy, and this keyboard, if you see the trackpad buttons, you're gonna try to lift them. You can use any head, like flat tool. Don't use a metal one because you can scratch it. You see inside here we have 2 screws. You want to lose them. 1, 2. And then just slide up. Yeah, this one is sticky. The reason we're swapping this one is because the keys were sticky. People ask why keyboard gets sticky. Most of the case, people spill something on the keyboard. Yeah, most of the case. Okay, so what happened here is, even though the screws are loose, they might still be in the hole. So probably you want to push it while you try to loosen them. That can work. That's the way I open it. Plus, this one is very, very sticky. So in the inside you have the 2 flex, 2 connections. Just try to open the thing that is securing them. Get the keyboard out. You can try to clean a little bit. It's a good idea to clean it. It will help you place a new one better. For the new one, you need to do the same process while it is off the computer. Just release the trackpad buttons. You can place it with the key facing down to make it easier. Connect the cables. Using the cables, you want to make sure that you see that it has like 2 lines. Make sure that the last line, you can see the last line is like right next to the edge of the thing that is securing there. To place it back, you will start from the top. Push it all the way up, push it down. I mean, slide all the way up and then push it down, and then just slide down. Of course, every time I try to make a video, it will be more difficult than normal. Basically, you can just slide it down. Secure the screws. sure you have the buttons back. So if you see it has this, you want to make sure it goes like in the holes first, like on with the top, and then push it down. It should be it. If you see I'm speaking like a little not too loud, it's because I'm on a place where I cannot talk too loud. So yep, this is the process of swapping this keyboard. You can test each one of the keys. You can go on F10 when the computer is booting up. The diagnostic screen, you go on the, if you see here says keyboard, the number 3, you press C to confirm, and here you have like a digital keyboard where you can basically test every single key and make sure they are all working. Yes, so every single one we can press them just to make sure they're working. It should be good because it's a new keyboard. Alright guys, I hope this helped you. This is swapping the keyboard on the T480s, and remember the process for this one is the same for a T490 and for a few other models too. Bye bye.